Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step that we will do is to open the YouTube mobile app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile picture, which is in the top right corner of the screen. After that, you'll see this Manage Your Google Account option that will open our Google account settings, where we want to find the security section and tap on it. When you get to the security page, scroll all the way down until you can see the Devices section and then click on this Manage All Devices. You will see a list of all devices where you are logged into with a specific Google account. Keep in mind that Google owns YouTube, so this Google account and the YouTube account are the same exact thing. The next step that you want to do is to find the device, whether that's a Windows PC, Mac, or a mobile device from which you want to sign out. Click on it to open it. Simply tap on the Sign Out button and that's it. When you log out and remove this YouTube account from this device, it will also log you out of other Google apps and services because they are all connected. You can't sign out from a YouTube account and Google account independently because they're the same thing, but that's essentially how you can sign out a YouTube account from other devices. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.